Deep inside one of the world's largest dairy processing plants, an ancient craft meets modern technology. Every day, thousands of liters of fresh milk arrive at this mega factory, ready to be transformed into one of the most beloved foods on the planet: cheese. But making cheese at this scale isn't just about tradition. It's about precision, automation, and science. It all begins at dairy farms, where cows are milked using high-tech automated systems. Every drop of milk is tested for quality before being rapidly transported in refrigerated tankers to the cheese factory. Speed is everything. The fresher the milk, the better the cheese. Upon arrival, the milk goes through its first transformation: pasteurization. Giant stainless steel tanks heat the milk to precise temperatures, eliminating harmful bacteria while preserving flavor and nutrients. But not all cheese starts with the same milk. Some batches are left raw for specialty cheeses, while others are standardized to ensure consistency across millions of products. Next, the milk enters massive curdling vats, where the magic of cheese-making truly begins. Special enzymes called rennet, along with natural cultures, are added. These cultures kickstart the fermentation process, breaking down lactose and giving each cheese its unique taste and texture. Within minutes, the milk thickens into a soft gel-like consistency. Now, it's time to separate curds from whey. Automated cutting blades slice through the thickened milk, breaking it into small, uniform curds. At this stage, different cheese types take different paths. For soft cheeses like mozzarella, the curds remain moist and elastic. For hard cheeses like cheddar or parmesan, the curds are cut into even smaller pieces and cooked at specific temperatures to release excess whey. The curds now enter large stainless steel molding machines. Here, they are shaped into wheels, blocks, or loaves, depending on their final use. Enormous hydraulic presses apply just the right amount of pressure, squeezing out any remaining whey and solidifying the cheese structure. But cheese isn't cheese without aging. Inside climate-controlled aging chambers, rows upon rows of cheese wheels rest on wooden shelves, slowly developing their flavors. Some cheeses age for just a few weeks, while others like parmesan mature for years. Humidity, temperature, and airflow are carefully controlled, and robotic arms rotate the cheese regularly to ensure even aging. Meanwhile, certain cheeses require additional steps. Mozzarella undergoes a unique stretching and kneading process, giving it its signature elasticity. Blue cheese is injected with harmless mold cultures, creating the famous blue veins. And for smoked cheeses, automated smoking chambers infuse them with rich, woody flavors. Once the cheese reaches perfection, it moves to the packaging stage. Automated slicing machines cut giant cheese blocks into precise portions. High-speed vacuum sealers lock in freshness, while robotic arms place cheese into eco-friendly packaging. For shredded cheese, massive industrial graders work at lightning speed, turning blocks into fine strands before being packed into resealable bags. Quality control is relentless. Every batch undergoes rigorous testing for texture, flavor, and safety. Advanced AI-powered scanners detect any inconsistencies, and laboratory experts conduct taste tests to ensure only the finest cheese reaches consumers. Finally, the finished products, blocks, slices, shredded, or specialty cheeses, are loaded onto refrigerated trucks and cargo containers, ready to be shipped worldwide. From grocery stores to restaurants and pizzerias, millions of people enjoy the results of this high-tech cheese-making process. And just like that, what started as simple milk has been transformed into one of the world's favorite foods. Whether melted on a burger, sprinkled over pasta, or aged to perfection, every bite